I can honestly say I never thought I'd be so happy to sneeze. You've got till it's gone. Achoo! But, achoo! What? Achoo! Need a new phone charger. I wanted a nose ring, as in a ring through the nose, not a ringing nose. To stop. I've got to stop myself from sneezing, Annie. Quick, Annie, tell me what to do.
Close your eyes. Pinch your nose. Say cucumber.
Nina speaking.
I mean, it's not a bad thing.
Nina speaking. Nina speaking. Nina speaking. Do that. Nina speaking. You bet. Nina. Are you okay?